right, family, so you know this is my daily stop. I hope you all having a beautiful evening. It's been raining all day, and now the sun is out. It's really cool. I'm happy about both of them. The rain and the sun. I'm good. I'm good with them both. But we're gonna harvest these flowers, and then I'm gonna drop some seeds. All right, guys. Let me get busy. All right, everyone. I'm back in my garden. I was feeling kind of because I wanted to drop more seeds, right? But it had started raining again. But look at this. The sun is back. She's back. I'm sitting under my plantain trees. Yep, I'm going to share what I'm doing. So here's some of my little plant babies over here. Cabbage and greens. You know, they are brassicas, y'all. They're brassicas. But this is one brassica I forgot to drop, y'all. That baby right there. Yeah, Chris. I saw you. I saw y'all. So we're gonna drop some cabbage. I'm gonna drop more kohlrabi. That's not kohlrabi. I'm gonna drop more romanescos. Let me share what I'm dropping. So I'm gonna drop more lettuce, but I'm gonna direct sow this lettuce in the container I want her to be. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go clean out a nice, maybe 2 or 3 containers for some lettuce and some spinach. I'm gonna drop more of these babies. I'm gonna drop some tatsoi. I love tatsoi, y'all. I do. And see what else I'm dropping over here. Okay, that's my cat. Shikoja beets. Shikoja. Yeah, that's what they are. And they are easy to grow. They're beautiful to look at. And they're mighty tasty, y'all. They're mighty tasty. What else we got here? Oh, that's more. This is a mixture of Shikoja beets in different colors. Botanical interest. Yeah, you know she got to be a little different, y'all. I'm going to drop, of course, I got some more kohlrabis I will be dropping. And I'm going to drop more endive because I like this. But I'm going to put her in a container by herself. I'm going to clean out about 3 or 4 5-gallon grow bags. Yeah, that's where we're going to plant some lettuce, some spinach, and endive. All right, let me drop these seeds, y'all. So I'm gonna drop this Swiss chard, Miss Analytic Gardener. That's you, baby. That's you. I'm gonna drop this one, some Swiss chard. I'm gonna drop some of this black seeded Simpson lettuce. This is tatsoi, and this is just from seednow.com. Yeah, Seed Now. And more cabbage from Fairy Moss, the Copenhagen. I'm gonna drop it, y'all. All right, let me get busy. All right, y'all. Seeds are all dropped. Now I'm just giving everybody a little cover. Yeah, what is this? Get out of there. And I'm happy that I got all these seeds in. Cause yeah, Chris, y'all. Chris. Yeah, he being quiet over there. I know you're quiet over there in Texas, bro. But I see you. I see y'all. You and Cheryl over there. I know y'all dropping seeds. They gonna come out with some grown plants. Oh yeah, but guess what, bro? I will not be left behind. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, I got my butterfly pea flowers, y'all. I got them. So here is some of my seeds I dropped with you all, and you could see everyone, well, most everyone. There's a little something over there, right? They coming up, baby. With this heat and rain, yeah, it's making them just come on up. Oh yeah, look at that, y'all. Everybody got a little green. Well, she don't, but that's all right, girl. Come on, baby. I'm gonna wait for you. Oh, this one here. Now, let me see this. See this here? No, this is not what I grew. Not at all. All right, there we go. There we go. And look at that, baby. Yeah. So they all doing good. Yeah. We're gonna have a beautiful, beautiful fall garden, y'all. It's gonna be amazing. All right, y'all. I have 4 grow bags that I got together now. I can get more. I have about 40 plus 5, 7, and 10 gallon grow bags. Yes, I have that. But I'm going to plant out. I'm going to drop some seeds in each one of these bags. So listen, this is what I say. If you want something special to happen, whether it's in your garden or in life, if you want something special, you got to do something special, right? And there is no time like right now. Right now. So come on, Miss Arugula. It is time for you to do your thing. You heard me, Cheryl? Cheryl, did y'all drop your arugula? Let me know. I didn't see that on your grow table, Chris. Did you drop arugula? Because you know Cheryl got to have that arugula. So let me share with you all what I'm dropping here today. Listen, y'all, I'm having such a great time out here in my garden all by myself. Yeah, and I'm loving it. So I'm going to drop some arugula here in that bag. And I'm thinking I want to drop something else with her. Something similar to her, something, where she could get along with them, Nobody gonna be fighting. So I'm gonna drop some spinach over there with her. Let's see how they do. So in this bag, I'm gonna drop some pink Chinese celery. I have some other kind of celery, but oh, here she is right here. I'm gonna drop her. The Chinese white. Chinese pink and Chinese white. We'll see how they get along. We gonna do that. And with them, I'm gonna drop some leeks. Also, this is what I have here. Now, this is what I've been having. It was growing with one of my vegetables, and I pulled it up. But I'm going to drop it with this here. Let me see. Can I get it apart here? Because I just took her out of the ground. So that is these. And these, I'm thinking these are the walking a bunch of onions. That's what this is. Bunch of onions. So I'm going to take it apart and I'm going to plant, 2 or 3 in each bag. And that will be for pest pressure, right? So I have more of them. Yeah. So I dropped these here a while ago. They were in a bag from the spring garden. So I've taken the tops off, enjoyed them, and now we're gonna let them work a little more. So in that bag we got some arugula and spinach, and we have celery and leeks. And this is a marshmallow. I don't know if I'm gonna put her in there, you know. I'm just having her sit over there for a minute, just to see, you know. We'll see. So in here I have some lettuce. So I have some Grand Rapids. I have some black seeded. I have the Marvel Four Seasons. And I don't know what this is. Let's see. I don't know what it is, y'all, because I pulled the label off of it. I don't know, but I'm gonna put it in there. If I had to guess, I would guess it would be the what's the name of that lettuce you all grow over there, Cheryl? Butter Crunch. I think that's what this is. I think that's Butter Crunch, but we're gonna put it there. And in this bag, I'm gonna drop some basil in here. And I may drop a couple basils in each one of them. That is just for the pest pressure. And I'm going to drop some of these red Russian cat. Y'all, I'm not a fan of this, but my little sister like it. So, and I'm going to drop some Brussels sprouts in this bag here. Now, this Brussels sprouts and all that stuff like that, they are not staying in this bag. No, they are just going to grow here a little while, and then I'm going to transplant them. I'm going to drop a couple of broccoli rapini, and this is the end of this little bag. I think, yeah, they got some in there. So I'm going to drop that because I dropped some of this earlier. But I'm going to drop this for Jada. Wait a minute, y'all. I'm going to drop that for Jada because y'all know it's Saturday and she said she had to go and get her nails done, y'all. Oh, Lord. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to drop these seeds. I know y'all don't need to see me dropping these seeds. So I'm going to drop the seeds and I'll be back, okay? All right. They are all in. They're all in. I'm going to turn this down so everybody is in the bag. All the seeds are in the bag. I don't know what time it is, but if I had to guess, I would think it's about a little after 7. Let's see. I can't stand that. Don't do that, baby. I should have filled it up, but I didn't. Yeah. Alright, guys. Let me finish this. And I'm going to share with you all how my persimmons look. Alright, let's go over there. But y'all know I got on my boots because, nope. And I got my libretta in my pocket. Yeah, just in case. Just in case. Oh, boy. So I wanted to come over here and check my persimmons. Yeah. They're looking good. Yeah. They're doing good. Wow. I don't know if y'all can see this lizard. You see how big that thing is? Like a damn Komodo dragon running through here. This is my Fuyus. They doing well. They doing well. Yeah.